The butcher, a seasoned veteran of the meat trade, was leading a hands-on cooking class for students from Food and Finance High School. The class, part of a summer block party organized by the Barclays Center, aimed to teach students about the culinary arts and the business of food. The students, mostly teenagers, were eager to learn. The organization, called the Culinary Institute of America, CIA, is a renowned institution for culinary arts education. The CIA's mission is to cultivate a new generation of chefs and culinary professionals. The organization's efforts to inspire young people to pursue careers in the restaurant industry are multifaceted. The nonprofit's mission is to empower young people to pursue careers in the culinary arts. This is achieved through hands-on experience, mentorship, and exposure to the industry. The program offers a variety of workshops and classes, including baking, pastry, and cooking techniques. The nonprofit's impact is evident in the participants' success stories. Many have gone on to secure jobs in the culinary arts, including chefs, pastry chefs, and restaurant managers. Some have even started their own businesses. The nonprofit's approach is unique and effective. Jahan Elahi's statement highlights the significance of food in fostering a sense of community and cultural understanding in New York City. Food, as a shared experience, transcends cultural boundaries and fosters connections between people from diverse backgrounds. The city's diverse culinary landscape, with its abundance of cuisines from around the world, is a testament to this. From the bustling streets of Chinatown to the vibrant flavors of Koreatown, New York City offers a culinary journey that caters to every palate. This is a man who is passionate about food, about people, and about creating a better world. He's not just a chef, he's a visionary. Key points *** passion for food *** he has a deep love for food and its ability to bring people together. ** vision for the culinary industry ** he envisions a more positive and sustainable culinary industry with improved work environments. * food education fund * he believes the food education fund is crucial for achieving his vision. They've got nothing. They've got to start from scratch. They're not afraid to ask for help, and that's what makes them so special. This statement highlights the transformative power of education and the profound impact it has on individuals and communities. It emphasizes the reciprocal nature of giving and receiving, where students' generosity and willingness to learn contribute to the teacher's growth and understanding. Wilde believes that the city's economic growth is inextricably linked to its social progress. The Partnership for New York City's mission is to foster a thriving and equitable city. They believe that a thriving city is one that is economically strong and socially just. They aim to achieve this by working with businesses, nonprofits, and government agencies to create a more equitable and sustainable city. The Partnership for New York City's approach to achieving this goal is multifaceted.